How to fix blank red dot appears on phone app on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and go to settings first and tap on general and then on software update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. In general again, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then on reset and then on reset all settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. None of your data will be deleted, so you do not have to worry about that. Next, you can also force restart your device. To force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. And finally, press and release the power button until you see the Apple logo. Don't release the power button when you see the slide to power off slider. Keep holding the side button until Apple logo appears. Once it appears, you can release the power button. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.